Watching Amazon Mini TV in Canada is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can watch Amazon Mini TV on Canada. So for that you have to be at your Google and you need to search for Indian VPN. I just searched for Indian VPN and afterwards I went to this website which is Urban VPN. Now Urban VPN gives you free Indian IPs which you can use to show themselves that you are in India. As we know that Amazon Mini TV is only available in India, so you have to do that. So after you know that, you have to click on this free download. It will open up the Chrome Web Store. You just have to add this to Chrome. After adding this to Chrome, you will be able to see this icon. You just have to turn it on, select India as a location, and then you have to turn it on. After turning it on, you can easily go to Amazon Mini TV. As you can see, if I go to Amazon Mini TV and this is their website, I'll go to amazon.in/mini TV. And as you guys can see, I will easily be able to watch Amazon Mini TV right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.